So in order to solve this problem, we're going to need to find the least common denominator for x and for y. And we want them to be the same so we can add them together and make it simple just adding the numerators. So let's start off with x. The problem says x is equal to 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4. Now we need to find the least common denominator, which happens to be 12 for this. So in order to get 12 on the bottom of all of these, we're going to have to multiply them by 1, but instead of just writing 1, for example, for the half, we're going to write 6/6, which is equal to 1, and then we're going to multiply that by the 1/2. So you're not changing the number, you're just changing the denominator and numerator, but it's still the same number. So that way we get 6 times 2 on the bottom, which gives us 12 in the denominator, which is what we wanted. Now for the 1/3, we're going to have to multiply it by 4/4, because then you get 12 on the bottom for that. And then for the 1/4, in order to get 12 on the bottom, we have to multiply it by 3/3. So simplifying, we get 6/12 forgot the equal signs. 6/12 plus 4/12 plus 3/12. And that comes out to be 13/12. And that is what x equals. Now on the next slide we're going to go on and try and put 12 in the denominator for y, so we can just add x plus y with a 12 for the denominator. So like we did with x, we're going to write down what y was, and y was 1/2 plus 2/3 plus 3/4. We're going to be multiplying the 1/2 by the same thing as we did with x, which is 6/6, to get 12. So 6/6 times 1/2, and then same thing as with x. We did with x. We're going to do multiply the 2/3 by 4/4, and we're going to multiply the 3/4 by 3/3, and this gives us 12 in the denominator. So we got 6/12 here, and then we have 8/12, and then we have plus 9/12, which gives us 23/12. And now all we have to do is just add x and y. So if you recall, x was equal to 13/12, and y was equal to 23/12. So x plus y is equal to 13/12 plus 23/12, which gives us 36/12. And that reduces to just 3, and that is your final answer.